Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV. Advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, remote engine start, remote trunk release, SLT preferred equipment group, fog lamps. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.